Google just dropped Nano Banana 2, and according to them, it's the best image generator and editor. But is it really? That's what we are going to test in this video. We will compare it with Nano Banana and Nano Banana Pro. We are going to generate multiple types of images to get the best test results. So let's start. But before that, if you want to create apps like me without coding, join my free WAP community. It's free for the first 100 users only. So join now. The link is in the description. Okay, so now first let's see the pricing, which is most important in my opinion. 1K resolution, default, approximately $0.67 per image. 2K resolution, approximately $0.01 per image. 4K resolution, approximately $0.151 per image. In my opinion, the pricing is not bad. It's good and cheap. And if we compare pricing with Nano Banana Pro, it's cheaper because Nano Banana Pro costs 24 cents for a 4K resolution image. Nano Banana can't generate 4K images. That's why I compared pricing only with Nano Banana Pro. Now we are going to test the image generation capabilities. So I will create 5 types of images in all 3 models. I will generate hyper-realistic humans, face plus hands, product photography, text rendering, cinematic lighting, test, stylized/3D/cartoon. I'm going to use OpenArt to generate these images because they have the best interface and multiple AI models. So go to the OpenArt dashboard and click on the Create Image section. Now paste your prompt, which I generated with AI for our test. Choose the AI model and aspect ratio and click Generate. So our first test is hyper-realistic human images. First, take a look at the prompt I used. Let's see the images. The first thing I want to say is that Nano Banana is nowhere near Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2 because you can see how highly detailed these 2 images are. This image looks fully AI generated and fake. I really like the hand details in Nano Banana 2. You can see all the lines which look very realistic, but I will say that the face still looks AI generated. In my opinion, the quality and detailing of the face and hands look best in Nano Banana Pro, so I think it wins this round. Now the second test is product photography. With this test, we can see if you can use this model for your product photos for your brand and website. Take a look at the prompt. You can pause the screen if you want to read it. The Nano Banana image looks simple and not very detailed. I mean, it looks good, but not very realistic. The Nano Banana Pro image looks very real, and the reflection and shadows look realistic and good. The texture of the rubber also looks real. I don't know why Nano Banana 2 added a Sony logo, which I didn't include in the prompt, but the image still looks very good for a product. The texture of the rubber and reflection look detailed and realistic. I cannot decide the winner, so I think both Nano Banana 2 and Pro are winners. Now the third test is text rendering. You may already know that most AI models fail with text, so this will be a very good thing to test. I used a prompt where a cyclist is riding a bicycle with a hoodie that displays the text build.scale.dominate. So let's see the results. I would say all 3 models did a good job in my opinion, but Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2 followed the prompt better, especially in font detail and size. Also, the background scene looks very good in both images. The motion blur effect in the background looks good, and the sun rays reflection also looks realistic. Again, both did good work, and it's really amazing that Nano Banana 2 is performing similarly to Nano Banana Pro, but at a lower price. Now the fourth test is cinematic lighting. The prompt features a knight in armor standing in a cathedral. Let's see the results. Nano Banana did a good job, but the lighting doesn't look very natural. The cathedral looks good. In Nano Banana 2, the lighting looks realistic, and the cathedral also looks good, but the whole image still looks AI generated. The detailing and texturing are good. Nano Banana Pro generated the best sun rays. They look very realistic. Plus the background looks great and it followed the prompt better. It's a tough choice, but I will give Nano Banana Pro more points. That's just my opinion. You may prefer Nano Banana 2 and that's completely fine. Now the fifth test is stylized/3D/cartoon. I have seen that most AI models create better 3D or cartoon styles than realistic humans, so let's see what these models did. The prompt features a cartoon cat standing like a human. Nano Banana looks more AI generated. The other 2 models did a great job. They look highly detailed, and the background also looks good. The reflection and texture look good in Nano Banana 2. The cat looks highly detailed in Nano Banana Pro. So again, both are competing equally. I will give both the same score. So finally, our test is complete, and you saw how good Nano Banana 2 is. I would say it's not very different from Nano Banana Pro, But the best part is that the pricing is cheaper in comparison. I would suggest you do some tests yourself before making a decision. I will add the OpenArt link in the description so you can try it yourself. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in creating apps without coding, join my free WAP community. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.